Hello, and thank you for joining me today on my channel. Today I'm excited to bring to you guys a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado regular cab, short bed, 5.3 6L80 automatic two-wheel drive. This thing is something else. Everybody knows how popular these trucks have gotten over the past years, especially with the fact that GM doesn't make the V8 short bed, short cab platform anymore. And this truck is just exceptionally clean. It's hard to find one. It is definitely going to be harder to find one cleaner than this. The paint is probably as close to exceptional as you're going to get. I dare say flawless, but it is super duper nice. It's clean on the inside. It's got the chrome package, chrome bumpers, chrome door handles, chrome mirror covers. It's got OEM 22-inch wheels, and those are not replicas. Those are real GM wheels, which are hard to come by, especially in that shape. Wrapped in Michelin tires. Tires are probably 50% or a little less, I would be guessing to say. I mean, I've got pictures in my description of the tires, so you judge for yourself, but still plenty of tread. She drives and rides just as smooth as you could imagine that you'd want it to run and drive. Lots of maintenance has been done to the truck here recently, just within the last 100 miles. Plugs, wires, air filter, transmission filter change. It's had a McGaughey's lowering kit installed, spindles on the front and drop springs in the back. And let me add that this truck has not, I will repeat, not been C-notched in the back. I don't like C-notching the trucks. I know they look good, but I just don't like doing it. So I do have all the factory suspension components. If the new owner would like those, I can certainly include those with the truck. 2 in the front and 4 in the rear is what the kit called for. It's got McGaughey's drop spindles, McGaughey springs, and McGaughey drop shocks. So it's done right, and it runs and drives just like it would if it was unlowered. Again, the truck is just exceptionally clean. It's got a tonneau cover on the back. Got a GM bed liner in it. It has, I'll show you the inside when I get to that. Let's take a peek in here. Nothing special, but it is GM installed bed liner. Tonneau cover, it's roll up. You just grab that strap and it rolls up near the cab. It has backup camera. It has factory GM accessory bed rail covers. It also has GM wheel well liners. Here's a picture of the tread on the tire. That's the rear. That's the front. Let's take a peek inside. And she really shines on the inside. There's no two ways about it. I mean, that's where you spend the majority of your time. I mean, and you want a clean cabin. Let's make no mistake. It has got flawless carpet on the inside. It's got the GM, what they call the GM luxury mats. It has a leather wrapped steering wheel. It has the driver information center. It has what they call a 60-40 split bench. I think that's what they call it. I mean, it is an exceptionally clean on the inside. No cracks in the dash. Dash is flawless. I mean, it's really going to be hard to find one cleaner than this one on the inside. I mean, it is awesome. Got a touchscreen radio with the backup camera. Got Apple CarPlay, so you can run your run your navigation in here. You've got Bluetooth speaker up here. You know, it is remote control. Haven't even taken the remote control out of the package. The stereo is brand new. Got the nice chrome gauges in here. Let's see if I can fire this thing up. Does have the 6L80 transmission, which is super nice. Gives it a lot more zip. Towing, if you get more towing capacity if you want to. There's the stereo. And for all you guys that are going to ask me when you watch the video, is the odometer flashing? The odometer looks funny when you film it on a phone like this, but no, the odometer is solid. There's no weird lights in it. It's perfect. Just trust me on that. Seems like every time I list a truck, somebody asks me, what's wrong with the odometer? I was like, no, it's just the camera. It is fine. It is clean as a pin in here. Yes, it is. We'll go. Let's see if I can open the hood. You can see this power plant. It's got factory fog lights in the front. Obviously, they work perfectly. It has also been just freshly inspected. I've gone over everything on this truck mechanically. Brakes are probably 50 to 60%, both front and rear. You guys, I don't know where you guys live at, where you're looking at this video, but I mean, I'm here in Virginia, and buddy, the pollen is out. There is pollen floating all over this thing. I had to wipe it down again today just to shoot pictures of it. Let me just tell you something, you can eat out from under that hood too. You want to get your lunch, hang it up under there, eat lunch up underneath the hood. It's so clean. It is. I mean, it's nice. It's, like I said, it is clean. Motor runs flawlessly. That air condition is ice cold. Ice cold. Hot heat. It's got power windows, power locks, keyless entry, cruise control, rear window defogger. What else? It's got, of course, the touchscreen radio, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, whichever type of phone you've got. It is just an exceptionally nice truck. Like I said, I mean, you see a lot of these trucks around. They've been rode hard, they've been put up wet, they've been modified, and I'm not against modifying the trucks. I like doing certain things to them, but there is also certain individuals that just want one that's pretty much unmolested. And this one is, other than that it's been lowered 2 and 4, it's stock and it's gorgeous. And if you guys check out my link to the pictures I'm going to have on Flickr, I've got a bunch of pictures of the underside of it. The underside is just as clean as the top. I don't try to hide anything if I'm going to sell a vehicle. So I've taken all kinds of pictures underneath the truck. All the rocker panels. It's never had any rust. It's never had any rust repair. I can't tell where it's ever had any paint work done on it. I'm not going to guarantee that, but I mean, I know that it's got a lot of the factory, like little stickers and things like that on it, and it just looks wonderful. So again, everyone, if you guys are looking for a super clean truck that you can drive anywhere, go anywhere, look good doing it, you can fly in and drive this truck home, no problem. Let me just turn on them fog lights, because I think it looks so good with them fog lights in the front. So you just come over here, I think, hold on, nope, push that little button right there. Turns them fog lights on in the front. Oh, that thing looks good. Oh yeah. Thanks again, everybody, for looking at the truck. Read my ad good. I'll have a very detailed description of everything that I've done maintenance-wise on the truck. A complete description of the truck And if you're looking for one, you found it. Again, 2013 Chevrolet Silverado, two-wheel drive, short bed, short cab, 5.3 with the 6L80. It's a 13. This thing is awesome. Drives awesome. Thanks again for looking, everyone. Good luck. Good luck if you want it. Thank you. Bye-bye.